Counting every single thing works, but it can be slow. I'm Marie from This Child Can, and I'll show you a quicker way to add by starting with the bigger number. Ready for another biscuit challenge? This time, over here, I've got 3 biscuits. And over here, I've got another 4 biscuits. How many biscuits have I got altogether? I could count them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's too slow. I don't like slow methods. I'm going to use a number line. That's much better and much quicker. This is called a number line because it's just a line of numbers. Now, the sensible thing to do is to start with the bigger number. I've got 4 biscuits over here and 3 biscuits over here. 4 is bigger than 3, so let's start with 4. Here we go. I'm going to put a circle on my 4 on my number line, and I now know that I need to count on 3. That's the 3 I've got on the left here. Here we go then. A jump of 1, a jump of 2, and a final jump of 3. So now I know that 4 biscuits plus another 3 equals 7 biscuits altogether. Much quicker to use a number line, isn't it?